In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload images to Shopify without using the CSV import feature. If you have a large number of images to upload and are looking for an efficient way to do it, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Once you're on your store's homepage, you'll want to look for the search icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now in the search bar, type in apps. This will lead you to the apps section of your Shopify store where you can add functionalities like the one we're about to use for bulk uploading images. Within the apps section, type bulk upload into the search bar. Among the results, you should see an app called CA, Smart Bulk Image Upload. Click on it. This app will be pivotal for uploading your images in bulk, bypassing the limitations of manual uploads. The next step is to install this app on your store. Click install and follow any prompts to complete the installation process. You may need to grant some permissions during this step. Don't worry, it's standard procedure for adding new apps to Shopify. Once the app is installed, head back to the apps section from your store's dashboard where you'll find CS Smart Bulk Image Upload listed. Click on Create New Upload, which is where the magic begins. Now, you need to connect your Google account to the app. Click on the Connect button and you'll be prompted to choose an account from which you wish to import images. Select the desired Google account and click Continue. You might see a consent form, and it's crucial to tick the box that says you allow access. This is simply authorizing the app to access your images from Google Drive. After confirming the permissions, return to the app and go to Folder Name. Here you'll select the specific folder that contains all the images you want to upload. Now ensure to choose the matching type that corresponds to how you want the images to align with your products. This could be by product name, SKU, or any other unique identifier. Before you kickstart the upload, the app will ask if it can replace any existing images. If you're adding new images, make sure to select Don't Replace Existing Images. This way you preserve current product imagery while enriching your product listings with additional visuals. Finally, click on Start Matching. This will initiate the process of uploading your images in bulk. Depending on the number of images, this process might take a little while. Shopify will now automatically match and add your uploaded images to the respective products, making your job a whole lot easier. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to bulk upload images to Shopify without resorting to complicated CSV imports. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your store on Shopify. Thanks for watching.